Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the filters button down below, which is the third option. Here you can apply airline filters, aircraft filters, then airports can be set, as well as registration numbers can be added. You can set the altitude on this slide, as well as the speed and the appearance as well. If you are done with applying these filters, click on the apply button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and they will be applied and you can check them out in your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.